Connect the master test jumper, or MTJ, to the detector. Reference the power out to get a 0 reference. The two wavelengths selected are 1300 and 1550, which are typical for single-mode testing. Clean and inspect the MTJ and the device under test, or DOT, end faces. Inspection not shown in video. Use a mating adapter to connect the MTJ to the DOT. Connect the far end of the DOT to the detector. Press Start button. Within seconds, the software calculates the insertion loss and return loss results for each wavelength. To test the other side of the DOT, flip the jumper and repeat the measurement on the other connector. This is the preferred and most common method for factory testing, as it returns discrete IL values for each individual connector. In situations where one or both of the connectors are not readily accessible, example, if connectors are already mounted in patch panels, other test methods are required. For advice on proper test methods for your application, please contact the technical experts at Fiber Optic Center.